In today's video, I'm going to teach you filter by date in Google Sheets by turning on a filter for your data range, then using filter by condition on the date column to choose options like is between or is after. To get started, make sure your sheet has a clear header row and that one of your columns contains actual dates, things Google Sheets recognizes as dates, not text. If your dates aren't behaving as expected, a quick check under Format, then Number, then Date can help confirm they're in a proper date format. First, turn on a filter. Click and drag to select your header row or the full data range that includes your date column. This helps Google Sheets know exactly which rows to filter. Now go up to the Data menu and choose Create a Filter. You'll see small funnel icons appear in each header cell, which means filtering is enabled for those columns. Next, let's filter by date. Find the header of your date column and click the funnel icon that just appeared there. In the menu that opens, choose Filter by Condition. This is where you'll set the rule that tells Sheets which dates to keep visible. From the condition dropdown, you can pick a rule that fits your goal. If you want everything after a certain day, choose Date is After. If you're looking for records on or before a cutoff, choose Date is Before. For a precise time window, select Is Between, which lets you enter both a start and an end date. These options are especially useful when you're reviewing a specific reporting period or narrowing down recent activity. When the date fields appear, enter the date or dates you want. You can type them in or use the date picker if it's available. Make sure the format matches your spreadsheet's locale so Sheets interprets them correctly, then click OK or Apply. Your sheet will instantly update, so only the rows matching your date condition remain visible, making it much easier to analyze exactly what you need. If you want to adjust the filter, just click the funnel icon again and modify the condition or dates. And when you're finished, you can turn the filter off from the data menu or clear the condition to see all your data again. That's all there is to it. With filters turned on and a simple date condition, you can quickly zero in on the time frame that matters. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Sheets tips and tutorials.